Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure iCloud Drive is active and your device is online. This prevents upload interruptions. Once done, open Photos and pick the images you want to move, tap Select, then choose them. Next, tap the Share icon, choose Save to Files, and pick an iCloud Drive folder. This sends the actual photo file to iCloud Drive, not just a reference. Make sure you choose the correct folder so files go where you need them immediately. Once your images are queued, organize them so retrieval is simple. Create a dated folder or use meaningful names. If you're on a Mac, drag images from photos directly into the chosen iCloud Drive folder in Finder. This preserves originals. On iPhone or iPad, you save to Files and tap the folder. While uploading, watch the progress badges and the file's app status. Do not close or quit the app until transfers finish. Because partial up. Finally, verify your photos arrived. Open iCloud.com or the Files app on another device and navigate to the folder you used. If everything's there, you're done. If not, check iCloud storage space and make sure the device remained online during transfer. If an image failed, try reuploading just that file. Troubleshooting tip: sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then restart the device. This often resolves sync errors without losing files, as long as iCloud Drive remains enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.